see it's opening night and it's packed. Can't wait to try some of the food. We'll tell you what's good. Make sure you come check it out. It's at BKC Maker Max City.
Good.
What do you like?
I like AC. Loving the AC. Really like this kind of like rice wrap thing. What is that called?
Yeah, I think it's a Singapore shrimp.
Shrimp wrap. Very nice.
I like this chicken coleslaw thing.
Lime chicken.
Very nice.
Oh, can I try this?
There aren't any wraps remaining,
Is
but
this the wrap you were talking about?
obviously it's filled with chicken, shrimp, peanuts. Very good enough too.
It's delicious. Yeah. It's like chicken and coleslaw.
Chocolate smoothie.
Yeah.
Before dessert. Too good. MissMalini.com. Barbecue chicken pizza. What?
Hi, we're at CPK in BKC, and this is my Chipotle chicken pizza. Looks pretty good. Hopefully it tastes good too. We'll find out.
Barbecue chicken pizza at CPK. Barbecue sauce, chicken, onions. Looks phenomenal. MissMalini.com.
The verdict is, this is amazing. Because it's a pizza that tastes like KFC spare ribs. It's got like rib sauce in it or something. It's amazing.
I'll tell you what it is.
It's a meat feast.
There's no tomato sauce base, barbecue sauce, chicken, onions, parsley, bacon. You gotta have the bacon.
Hi, you're watching MissMalini.com, and now for my favorite part. This is chocolate banana, yummy, and that's red velvet cake. I'm going to try some right now.
Not bad.
He thought he caught you on a lie.
I used to be a
Hi, so you're watching MissMalini.com, and welcome to CPK Mumbai. And today was our first day, and we were extremely busy, but very happy about that. So, Stephanie, what do you think?
I think all in all, the night went very well. We had good food. The service was really good. Everyone should check it out.
Come visit us.